Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up and I'm going to go down face first, or as they call it, Australian style. What I do now is I go on this side of the rope instead of that side. If I was just going down with my back, I'd be on this side of the rope. But now that I'm going down Australian style, I'll go down this side because I'm going to use this, my strong hand, as my brake hand. And you do the same with it. You make the bite, you push it through, and you go over the bottom part. Same deal. You hook in to the webbing, bring it around, then you hook in. Make sure that that's locked in place. And you want to make sure that you lock into the right belt. I hooked into the wrong belt one time when I was about 40 feet off the ground, and I went down and I had an old cotton belt on and it broke, and I just so happened to have caught myself. So make sure that you hook into the right belt, and you'll brake with this hand. You bring it across your chest like this. That's how you brake for Australian style. So, all right. Now this is going to be, now I haven't done this in a while, so it's going to be a little scary to me. And this is what it looks like when you brake. But you're going down the wall. So. Okay.
I'm recording. I'm recording.